This is the Wax Seal Starter Kit from Spellbinders. It has pretty much everything you need to start creating wax seals, and I love that it comes in its own box to contain everything. There is a stand for a tea light to heat up your wax. There's a little scoop to put your wax beads in to melt them, and it does come with its own foiling stamp as well as some gold wax beads, but you can buy other colors or other mixes of wax beads as well. And using this, I decided to use a different gold because it suited the project that I was creating a little bit more. After melting my wax, I mixed it in the little scoop with a toothpick just to make sure everything was melted. The starter kit comes with a 4U wax seal stamp, but I'm using it with some other wax seal stamps, and it's really easy to unscrew each head and screw on a new one. So you can have one or two handles and just use other wax seal stamp heads with it. Once your wax is melted, you put it on the silicone mat, and then you just press that seal into it and let that wax cool. It cools down really, really quickly. In order to clean out that scoop, while that wax is still hot, you're going to use some paper towel and it comes right out. You do want to use several layers of paper towel because it does get quite hot, but it comes really nice and clean. The starter kit is a perfect place to start if you want to start creating some wax seals, and I love the fact that it has everything you need to get started. You just need to add a tea light.